January 2026. Flower making machine and 3 KVA Servo Voltage Stabilizer. Rumdi Village, Himali Rural Municipality. Rumdi Village lies in a very remote region near the lower belt of Humla District. Life here is extremely challenging, and even simple daily tasks require immense effort and time. One of the biggest struggles for the villagers is grinding their grains into flour. For this, they must walk nearly 2 hours to reach a small traditional water mill located beside the river. The mill is tiny, crowded, and built at the bottom of a steep mountain slope, meaning the entire journey to the mill is downhill. This is their traditional water mill. After waiting for hours inside that narrow, dusty space, often covered completely in flour dust, the villagers carry heavy sacks of flour and climb all the way back uphill to their homes. The process is exhausting, especially for elderly villagers and women. When we visited the village, we discussed the possibility of arranging a flour making machine along with a voltage stabilizer. However, we also requested the villagers to contribute half of the total cost themselves. 7 villagers came forward with great enthusiasm. They formed a small group and managed to collect their share together. We deeply appreciated their sense of responsibility and collective effort. The flour making machine and 3 KVA Servo Voltage Stabilizer were transported by truck up to Kuadi Bazar. From there, 3 villagers carried the heavy equipment all the way up to Rumdi Village. Later, when we traveled to install the machine, we encountered a massive landslide on the road. We attempted to cross it, but it was simply too dangerous and impossible to pass safely. Eventually, we had no choice but to return that day. The road condition was extremely poor, and by the time we came back, we were completely covered in dust. Afterwards, we requested the municipality to send a digger machine to clear the blocked road. There were some delays, but after 5 days, we finally returned together with a digger. It took nearly 2 hours to clear the landslide. As we removed the lower rocks, more stones continuously rolled down from above. Together, we kept clearing the path while carefully avoiding falling debris. That day, we truly understood how difficult and dangerous the work of machine operators and road workers can be in these remote mountain regions. Slowly, the road became passable once again. After reaching the furthest point possible by motorcycle, we parked and continued the journey on foot. The uphill climb was long and tiring, but along the way we met many warm-hearted villagers. We shared conversations, smiles, and laughter throughout the journey. Finally, around 6:40 p.m., we reached Rumdi Village. The villagers had been eagerly waiting for us. Everyone was excited. First, we discussed the best place to install the machine and stabilizer. The room available was very small, but many villagers gathered together to watch the installation process with curiosity and excitement. We installed the MCB, switchboard, connected the 3 KVA voltage stabilizer, and completed all the electrical wiring carefully. And finally, the machine started running. The moment it began working, happiness spread across the entire room. Immediately, villagers brought different types of grains and started testing the machine. We carefully explained all the important instructions, precautions, and maintenance guidelines. That night, the villagers continued using the machine until nearly 10:30 p.m. Village, Rumdi, Himali Rural Municipality. 7 group members contributed half of the total cost. Baidan Thapa, Karme Thapa, Jig Thapa, Vidimal Thapa, Chandramal Thapa, Dogdan Thapa, and Jagat Thapa. The next morning, many more villagers arrived to see the machine. There was great excitement, curiosity, and happiness throughout the village. Seeing their smiles felt truly special. At the moment, the villagers are testing the machine with different types of cranes. If they are satisfied with its quality and performance, we hope to install more such machines in this village and nearby villages as well. We will continue staying in touch with the villagers and regularly ask for updates. We sincerely hope this small effort helps save their time, reduce physical hardships, and provide easier access to healthier and better food options. Thank you so much to everyone who made it possible for us to create these beautiful memories and spread smiles across so many remote regions. Namaste.